Okay, so we've had something pretty cool come through the post today. Well, a nice little touch there, backseat blackout, yeah. Let's have a look at this. Look at that, that is lovely. I was literally walked in the house, saw this, I was buzzing off my tits. It's come from Blackpool, it's Icon. Let's check it out, see what's happening. Ooh. Oh, hello. Oh. That is pretty damn cool. I'm going to keep that. So Wednesday the 23rd of May 2018. Let's have a look at this. That's one way to get in. I don't want to damage the box. I think it looks pretty cool. Very careful with this. Oh, even more box. What's in here? Let's have a look. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. Oh my god, that is, look at that, that's a nice touch. That is a really nice touch. Nice bit of, is that real wax? Ooh. Comes with one of those. Let's have a look. Dare to Ride Icon. Okay. So, swinging off my neck, so get this open. Haha, yeah. Here we go, invitation. The press and media launch of Icon. The UK's first double launch roller coaster, 15 interactions with other rides, £16.25 million investment. Chris Davenport. The Thompson family invite you to the official press and media opening of Icon, the ride at Blackpool Pleasure Beach on Wednesday the 23rd of May 2018. And please wear your enclosed exclusive Icon pin badge on arrival. That is awesome. So we've got arrival and registration at the Globe Theatre, Blackpool Pleasure Beach, and then we've got the press conference in the Globe Theatre, an opportunity to speak to representatives from Blackpool Pleasure Beach, Mack Rides and other industry professionals, and official ride media launch with a chance to ride Icon for yourself. Ooh. And followed by lunch and additional media opportunities, plus the chance to experience the rest of Blackpool Pleasure Beach. That is awesome, man. That is awesome. And oh, that's new. Kind of, that's like the kind of like a Japanese style. Is it Japanese or Chinese? I don't know. But that's pretty cool. That does. Icon Dare to Ride. So yeah, so we've got this pin badge which is in here. Can get it out. That is funky, man. I cannot wait for this. So I'll see you on the 23rd of May at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Hey.